You want to build real wealth, not just pocket change. You're not here for quick wins or fleeting trends. You want lasting growth, the kind that can change your life and maybe even your family's future. But how do you get there? But the market? It's overwhelming. Like a supermarket with thousands of aisles, each one packed with choices, distractions, and noise. It's easy to get lost, to feel paralyzed by all the options. You can't just grab anything off the shelf. You need a plan, a strategy that helps you cut through the clutter and focus on what really matters. In investing, that plan starts with understanding sectors. Sectors are the building blocks of the market, the categories that group similar companies together. Picture the economy as a giant pizza. Each slice is a sector: tech, healthcare, energy, finance. Every slice has its own flavor, its own story, and its own potential for growth. Some slices are hot, others cold. Knowing which is hot is your edge. When you know where the heat is, you can focus your attention and your money on the areas with the most potential. A booming sector lifts all its stocks. Pick a winner, and you're riding a powerful trend. Even average companies can soar if their sector is on fire, while the best company in a cold sector might struggle. This isn't about luck, it's about spotting the big stories shaping our world and getting in early. Trends like new technology, aging populations, or the shift to clean energy can create massive opportunities. Forget searching for a needle in a haystack. Find the right haystack. When you know which sector is set to explode, you don't have to guess. You just have to be there. We'll focus on the big leagues, America and Europe. Two powerhouses, two different games, each with its own set of rules, opportunities, and risks. They have unique strengths in sectors that are screaming buys right now. Some sectors are global leaders, while others are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. We'll break down what's working, what's not, and why. You'll see which sectors are leading the charge, and which ones are lagging behind. Think tech innovation, healthcare's demographic certainty, and the green energy revolution. These aren't just buzzwords, they're megatrends shaping the next decade. This is your roadmap to the market's hottest spots. With the right map, you can navigate confidently, avoiding dead ends and finding the fastest route to your goals. My job, cut through the noise and show you where the real action is. I'll help you see past the headlines and hype and focus on what truly drives returns. We'll dive into American titans and European champions, compare them, and see what makes them tick. You'll learn how to spot the leaders and avoid the laggards. By the end, you'll be ready to make smart, confident decisions with your money. You'll know how to spot opportunities, manage risks, and build a portfolio that works for you. So grab a notebook and get ready. Take notes, ask questions, and get involved, because this is your journey. The bull is running, and we're running with it. The market waits for no one, so let's seize the moment together. Let's go. Booyah! When you think of America, think technology. It's not just a part of the culture, it's the heartbeat of the nation's progress, pulsing through every industry and shaping the way we live, work, and connect. Technology is the engine of the U.S. economy, driving growth, innovation, and global influence. It's the force that keeps America ahead in the race for the future. Giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon aren't just companies. They're empires shaping the digital landscape and setting the pace for the world. Their secret, relentless innovation that creates its own demand, constantly pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. Nvidia powers the AI revolution, fueling breakthroughs in everything from self-driving cars to advanced medical research. Apple and Microsoft dominate not just devices and cloud, but the very way we interact with technology every day, making their products indispensable. Amazon and Alphabet own the digital world, controlling how we shop, search, and access information in our daily lives. These companies are everywhere, selling not just products but essential services and subscriptions that have become woven into the fabric of modern life. Their recurring revenue is Wall Street's dream, predictable, profitable, and growing year after year, making them investor favorites. Tech's momentum is undeniable. Ignore it, and you're missing the train to the future, a future that's arriving faster than ever. America's top sector, it starts and ends with tech. No other industry has this level of influence, reach, or potential. Massive barriers to entry, legendary cash piles, and staggering R&D budgets keep these titans ahead, making it nearly impossible for newcomers to catch up. They're not just part of the future, they're building it, inventing the tools and platforms that will define the next era. If you want growth, innovation, and true market power, tech is where you want to be. The future belongs to those who embrace it. America isn't just about tech. Healthcare is a powerhouse, driven by an aging population and constant demand. Pharmaceutical giants like Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk are tackling global health issues with blockbuster drugs. Medical device makers like Intuitive Surgical and insurance titans like United Health are deeply embedded in the system. Healthcare is a stable, long-term play, defensive with offensive upside. Then there's the consumer discretionary sector, think Tesla, Nike, thriving when Americans spend. These sectors are tied to well-being, healthcare for our bodies, consumer for our wallets. When the economy is strong, consumers spend. No matter what, people need healthcare. Together, they offer stability and growth, the heart and soul of the U.S. economy. Smart investors don't ignore them. Now let's cross to Europe, where the story is green energy. Europe leads the global green revolution, driven by government mandates and public demand. The EU is pouring cash into renewables. This is a policy-driven bull market. Giants like Ørsted and Vestas are building the world's wind infrastructure. Utilities like Iberdrola and Enel are reinventing themselves as green powerhouses. This isn't just about new power, it's about upgrading the entire grid. The green wave is a matter of security and economics, creating a long-term tailwind. From turbines to batteries, Europe's green sector is a hotbed of innovation. Smart money can't afford to ignore it. Europe's other crown jewel? Luxury goods. Brands like LVMH, Hermès, and Cartier aren't just selling products, they're selling history, status, and resilience. These companies cater to the world's wealthiest, immune to downturns. LVMH owns icons like Louis Vuitton and Dior, controlling every detail for high margins and exclusivity. Hermès Birkin bags have years-long waitlists. This is desire, not just demand. Their biggest growth? Asia and the US. Global appetite for luxury is insatiable. These brands are fortresses, heritage, craftsmanship, and brilliant marketing. For stability and exposure to global wealth, European luxury is built to last. It's a bet on aspiration and quality. America and Europe, two champions, two philosophies. America is about speed, disruption, and scale. Tech giants move fast, dominate, and chase explosive growth. Europe is about tradition, regulation, and long-term planning. Green energy and luxury are stable, policy-driven, and built to last. U.S. markets favor growth stocks, high potential, high volatility. Europe leans toward value, steady, established, often with reliable dividends. Your choice? It's about risk tolerance and goals. Want high-octane growth? America's tech is your ticket. Prefer stability and policy-driven growth? Europe's green energy and luxury sectors shine. There's no single winner. The smartest move? Diversify and capture the best of both worlds. Understand each region's strengths. Build a portfolio that balances growth and resilience. What makes a sector a winner? 4 things: growth, innovation, stability, and tailwinds. Growth: sectors that outpace the economy, like tech's AI boom or healthcare's aging population. Innovation: leaders invest in the future, not just react to change. Stability: a moat, like luxury's brand heritage or tech's network effects. Tailwinds: broad trends like green energy's government support or rising global wealth. Winning sectors drive change, protect their turf, and ride powerful trends. You want to own the disruptors, not the disrupted. Look for sectors with clear stories and strong momentum. That's the secret sauce. Invest where the wind is at your back. Where's the smart money heading for 2026? Straight into the big themes. American tech, especially AI, is attracting a tidal wave of capital. Major funds are loading up on semiconductors, cloud, and software, but they're also diversifying, wary of overconcentration. Enter Europe Green Energy is drawing big institutional money for its growth and stability. Pension and sovereign funds love the long-term, government-backed contracts. Quality and resilience are also in demand. US healthcare and European luxury are must-owns. The thesis: the wealthy keep spending and healthcare is always needed. The playbook: core US tech, diversified with European green energy, plus quality healthcare and luxury. This strategy captures explosive growth and anchors your portfolio with resilience. Offense and defense, smart money wants both. That's how you win. We've explored the engines of tech, the certainty and resilience of healthcare, Europe's green surge, and luxury's timeless appeal. Each of these sectors offers unique opportunities and challenges, shaping the future of investing in ways we can't ignore. But at the end of the day, only you can pull the trigger and make the decision that shapes your financial future. Don't follow blindly. Use this info as a starting point, do your homework, and dig deeper into what matters most to you. Build a plan that fits your personal goals, your timeline, and your risk tolerance. Talk to experts, ask questions, and make sure you understand every move you make. The worst move? Sitting paralyzed, letting indecision keep you on the sidelines while opportunities pass by. The second worst? Gambling without a plan. These trends, AI, green energy, aging populations, aren't just fads. They're generational shifts that will shape markets for decades. Your job is to get on the right side of change, to position yourself where growth is happening. Start small if you need to. Maybe it's an ETF that tracks a sector you believe in, or maybe it's a few shares of a sector leader you've researched and trust. The key is to get in the game, to take that first step and start building your future. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over time, with patience, discipline, and smart decisions. Invest in powerful trends, and don't let the daily noise or market jitters distract you from your long-term vision. Focus on the big picture. You have the roadmap, the tools, and the knowledge. Now it's your move. Take action. Be confident, be informed, and be ready to seize opportunities as they come. There's always a bull market somewhere. Don't miss your chance to be part of it. Booyah!